Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This Renault Megane 5-door hatchback is available here in the popular iconic trim, powered by a 1.3 TCE engine and finished with lovely dark blue metallic paint. You can see here, being a French vehicle, it's certainly got that chic look around it, with sharp lights and also stylishly designed body panels all round. You can also enjoy the benefits of diamond cut alloy wheels on this model, as well as stylishly designed full LED headlights with signature C-section daytime running lights. Boot space can easily take a week's worth of shopping, and that's before you fold it down 60-40 split. Inside the cabin, two-tone cloth upholstery and comfy seating for three in the back can be found. Moving to the front, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as front sport seats are a lot more pronounced, offering additional side bolster supports for added comfort. Once behind the wheel, we have a part digital instrument cluster, which is a joy to use. Displaying clear information such as speedometer, traffic sign recognition. You can also operate all your music and even satellite navigation guidance. There are also bespoke drive modes such as individual, economy prioritizing fuel efficiency, day-to-day drives, or perhaps comfier or a more sportier spirited drive. Other benefits will also include cruise control and speed limiter, which is ideal for motorway trips. In the center, the infotainment system is very easy to use thanks to the large buttons. It features built-in satellite navigation with 2D and 3D mapping, as well as also additional multimedia functionality, which will unlock all your radio stations in the form of AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions. You can also optimize the sound quality and settings for the vehicle, which will appeal to the music lovers amongst you. Other great features will also incorporate Bluetooth telephony, so you can stay in touch with family and friends, but also use it for Bluetooth audio for wireless media streaming. Various other vehicle settings and driver assistance functions will be available to keep you and your occupants safe. Helping you park is a set of rear parking sensors as well. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.